Hello and welcome to the Walking Talking topic on exchange rates, question number 6 with me, Mr. Barton. Now, a bit of dodgy dealing going on in this final question. Jack has returned to the UK, having been working in Europe. He has €450 and he wants to change them into pounds. The exchange rate he's being offered is £1 equals 1.2 euros. His sister Gillian is about to go to France and intends to change 400 quid into euros. The exchange rate she's being offered is £1 equals 1.08 euros. But they have a look at this and think maybe they could do a better deal here. Rather than going to the bank, Jack gives Gillian his €450 and Gillian gives Jack 400 quid. Show how they both save money by doing this. Flipping heck. Right, let's have a look at Jack first. So here's one thing Jack could do if he wasn't related to Gillian. He would take his €450 and he would change them into pounds. So how much would he get? Well, let's set it up as we usually do. £1 into euro. £1 gets you 1.20 euro, but Jack has €450. So I'm going to put my 450 down there and I'm going to use my usual technique. I'm going to work out what €1 would be and then multiply up to get my 450. So we know this by now, how to get down to €1. We're going to divide by 1.20. That's going to get us down to 1. So let's do that. Divide by 1.20. Get me calculator. 1 divided by 1.2, press me equals, I get 5/6, otherwise known as 0.83 recurring, and then I want to get it up to 450 quid. So I'm going to make it 450 times bigger, do the exact same on this side, just like a ratio. Keep that in your calculator, times it by 450, press equals, and you get 375. So Jack would get, I'll write that down, would get 375 quid. But if he does the deal with his sister, he gets 400 quid. Gillian gives him 400 quid. So let's really spell it out. He is 25 better off. That is great news for Jack. What about Gillian? I've just realised have they done Jack and Jill? Is that what they're going for maybe in this question here? Great comedy from the exam writers. Right, let's have a look at Gillian here. She's about to go to France. She's got wants to turn 400 quid into euros. So let's get our thing up. £1 we know this time is equal to 1.08 euro. She's got 400 quid. Well, this is going to be a little bit easier. That's got 400 times bigger. So we're going to make this 400 times bigger as well. So we're going to get 1.08 times it by 400, press our equals, and we get 432. So Gillian would get €432. Jack gives her, how much is Jack giving her? 450. Gillian is, what's the difference between those two? 18 euro better off. And I think all of that deserves a smiley face because they have both benefited big time from that deal.